Hey there, if you're seeing the Cellular Issues Detected message on your iPhone, you're not alone. This issue could be caused by things like network problems, outdated carrier settings, a faulty SIM card, or even some software glitches. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll go over some simple and effective ways to fix it and get your iPhone back to reliable cellular service. Solution 1. Refresh your mobile network. First, let's give your network connection a quick refresh. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it off again. This will refresh your network connection and might solve the issue. Solution 2. Update to the latest iOS versions. Sometimes, outdated software can cause compatibility problems with your network. Let's update your iPhone. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Next, tap Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install. After the update is over, restart your iPhone and test the cellular data to see if it worked. Solution 3. Reinsert the SIM card. Removing and reinserting the SIM card can sometimes help fix network issues. Power off your iPhone. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to open the SIM card tray. Remove the SIM card, wait for a few seconds, then put it back in. Turn your iPhone back on and check if the issue is gone. Solution 4. Enable 4G or 5G for voice and data. Make sure your iPhone is set up to use fast connection for both voice and data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Cellular. Next, tap Cellular Data Options. Tap Voice and Data. Select 4G or 5G on both voice and data. Now, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 5. Turn off and on network selection. Updating your carrier settings can also help. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Cellular or Mobile Service. Tap Network Selection. Turn off Automatic. Wait for a moment, then select your carrier name. Now, restart your iPhone and check if the issue persists. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any cellular issues detected problems on your iPhone and get your connection back to normal. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting tips. Stay tuned for more solutions to all your tech problems.